Hi, I'm Iman from Samim Group, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Samim's frame called SRM 0655 to the rack. Let's get started. As you can see, here's a small display on the front door where you can view some main settings from main user interface. Here's the frame IP, which indicates the installed cards and the options. RCD is always in there, and here's the Ethernet option. Once you go through the menu, more options will show up. As you can see, the up button is available now. Alright, let's go to the cooler options now, where you have different modes like manual, standard, turbo, and also silence. Okay, let's get back to manual, where you can speed up or slow down the fan speed. Now we speed up to 100%. Alright. And you can hear the fan working at its fastest mode. Okay, now let's slow down and back to 0%. And the noise is gone. You hear nothing now. Okay, let's take a look at the other options like software versions and factory resets. That's it. And this is also another card in the frame called UDC 3455. And that's how we do it. You can also check our website at www.samimgroup.com for further information. Thanks for watching.